Police transporting COVID-19 patients. Nongprue Police Station in Pattaya, Thailand, has reassigned its prisoners' transport vehicle to emergency transport of COVID-19 patients, adding more resources to an ambulance system overrun with critical calls. COVID-19 cases are surging in Pattaya with over 300 reported today, Tuesday, August 3, 2021. Hospital ambulances and vans have been running nearly around the clock transporting critically ill COVID-19 patients. Police are responding to those awaiting hospital beds and transporting them when they become available. With daily coronavirus cases in Pattaya surging above 300 today, Tuesday, August 3, 2021, police officers have now begun transporting the sick to Banglamung Hospital. Hospital ambulances and vans operated by the Saong Borabun Themasathan Foundation have been running nearly around the clock transporting critically ill COVID-19 patients and those waiting for beds. Nongprue Police Chief Paul Colonel Chiteka Songhong and Paul Lieutenant Colonel Kangsart Nuanpong responded yesterday, August 2, to Winton Village on Nong Krabak Swatan where a 71-year-old woman gasping for breath had been waiting for a bed at Banglamung Hospital. One finally opened that day. Banglamung District, including Pattaya, reported 314 new coronavirus cases on Tuesday as Chonburi hit another record with 1,359 infections. Pattaya reopening slim to none. With high infection rates and a shortage of vaccines, the chance of Pattaya reopening is slim to say the least. The Chonburi Tourism Council revealed that Pattaya intends to postpone its reopening plan because Thailand may not be able to control the high rate of infections and provide sufficient vaccinations until the fourth quarter of the year. Council Acting President Thanat Suporn Sahasrangsi said tourism operators have acknowledged that the plan to reopen 2 districts to international tourists in September may be delayed, as the country grapples with a severe vaccine shortage during the third wave of COVID-19, which began to affect the reopening schemes in Phuket and Samui last week. He said Pattaya might not be able to open as scheduled if the province cannot build herd immunity by the deadline, adding that the situation in Pattaya is similar to the Andaman Islands, particularly with local tourists being restricted by the lockdown order. Mr. Thanat said that even though Phuket has reopened to vaccinated foreigners, stringent preventive measures and weak demand in the early stages mean many shops, restaurants and entertainment venues remain closed, which is discouraging travelers from considering an excursion to Thailand. In Phuket, tourism leaders at a recent Phuket Sandbox Summit urged European governments to recognize Phuket's status as a safe haven for international travelers.